Sorry. I'm sorry if that was a little too aggressive. Goodness. It's been a while since I've made a proper motovlog. Most of the time lately, when I turn on the camera and start a video, I start talking and I talk for about 10 minutes and then I just go quiet. Because I'm either fully cracked out or I just don't talk at all when I ride. Here's another attempt at a video. So if this is posted, sick. If it's not, oh well. You'll never see it. You'll never know what I'm up to, which is just fine, I guess. So the bike broke down, shocker. I had a mental breakdown and pulled all the wrap. I pulled all the wrap off the bike. So now we are rocking raw carbon. It's just a carbon wrap. It's a gloss carbon wrap. But we are out here having a good time. The bike has been, I'm just trying to take care of it. And I get paranoid when things happen. Like if it starts up and it sounds different, if it takes a 1/10 of a second longer to start than it normally does, then I'm paranoid for like a week. This bike is just kind of done being a street bike, I think. The end goal for this was for it to be a track bike. And it's honestly so dialed right now that it's kind of annoying to keep up on the street as far as maintenance, and one thing going wrong and it freaks me out and I take it apart and find out it was a stupid problem. But not really ready to get a second bike yet. I do want to get something that's maybe a little more comfy. You know, we got this and we're gonna enjoy it while it lasts. No idea where I'm going. I have nothing to talk about. I'm just blabbing. I went to the track again and I recorded some with the Insta360, but I posted some of it, but I don't know if I'm gonna make a full video out of it. I might start uploading like raw clips, raw laps or something, because what's that smell? See what I'm talking about? It smells funny. Whatever. When I go to the track, I want to focus more on learning and being a better rider than I do focusing on a video. Where do I go? Okay. What was I talking about? The track. I've gone to the track between, I don't know, the last video I posted and now. I have so much footage just sitting on my computer that I haven't edited. I've been busy with my new job and busy with life and everything else, and it's been hot. Am I going the wrong way right now? I don't know where I'm going. Am I in the wrong lane? There's a line right there. I'm gonna use that. And it's been like triple digits for maybe a month straight. Triple digits or rainy. Really living that Oklahoma life. The first day in probably a month it's been under 100 degrees. Oh. Do I go this way to turn left? Is that what I'm seeing? I think that's right. I go right to turn left. Left lane must turn left. All right. We're on top of it. So yeah, I have been vibing lately. Sorry for the lack of content. I've still been posting on my Instagram, which we're almost at 20,000 followers on Instagram, which is absolutely insane. My TikTok blew up at one point and it hit like 10K, and my Instagram now has eclipsed that. I've been putting a little more work into Instagram than I have TikTok. TikTok is just kind of, it's dead to me. I don't know why. So if you follow my TikTok and you're watching this, follow my Instagram instead. I'm thinking if I hit 20,000 followers, or when I hit 20,000 followers, I'll start subscription. I'm never really in this for the money, and I don't really care about, I'll probably just like make my subscription $1 a month or something like that. I don't want to, I've never been the one to like beg for money or post my Cash App or my Venmo or anything like that. But if I'm starting to gain a following and I want to build a community, I want to be able to give back to you guys. So I have a lot of ideas for merch that I just haven't really committed to yet, because I don't really know where this is going. It's still just a hobby. I mean, it's a passion for me, but it's not my main source of income. So I have to dedicate my time and my effort to my main source of income, which is my job. So we still have fun though. I've got a couple unfinished videos sitting in my editing software that I haven't touched since like January, February, March or April, like when I rebuilt the bike. I have a video going over my new exhaust, and I made a video when I got it, when I installed it and everything, and then I just didn't record like the reveal portion of the video. I might do that at some point. I just have a lot of content stewing right now. I need to get the motivation or just like sit down on my computer and edit a video instead of just a bunch of reels. Because I don't know what to talk about. This is like a word vomit life update. It's like, hey, I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I'm actually probably one of the worst YouTubers ever. Because I always forget to press record, or I press off when I think I'm pressing on. We work with it. The sun's going down and I'm waiting for homeboy. Gosh, dang it. Little spider. Guy in that truck. I don't wink at girls. If only it was nighttime. I like your tag. Your zip ties. You didn't even clip them. You maximum effort. Do not turn red. Yes! There's a boy up there. Biker bro. Hey! A Triumph! What is that smell? That's not me, is it? Huh? There's a cop over there. There's lights. I'm trying out no stabilization this time. I went for a short little scoot the other day and it actually looked pretty good. So I want to see what it looks like. Uh-oh. This is our exit. I forget where we get off at. Yeah, this one. Boy! Yes, sir. It is so pretty. I do third gear? Probably not, but... No. He didn't even flash me. Oh, man. I kind of want to go in that field. Yeah. You think we'll get kicked out? Is this private property? I hope there's no holes. Oh! Yeah. Okay. Do you want any? Oh, no, I got you, bro. Okay. Woo. Oh, that feels good. That's so pretty.
Bye, have a great time.
Get over for us? No? Alright. Go on by, buddy. Oh. Bro, if that's another cop, I'm gonna kill myself. Look at the sun! Oh, it's not. It's not. Sometimes there's a gentleman that sits out here. It's your fault for getting a car though, bro. When we left, I was like, man, I want to go like 150 between cars. And now I'm like, it's so nice out. That was awkward. I was run by an ambulance full tuck. Whoops. Let's do a loop. Let's do a loop. No. Left. Oh. You need to get a car though, because all these videos are just going to be me like talking to myself. Big bump. Ambulance. Oh, that's a policeman. They're everywhere. There's boys. I can't tell. They could be on Groms. I don't know. A train. Under the train. I don't know this song, but it's bumping. Oh, there's one up there too, bro! I'm gonna stop! I'm gonna chill out! La la la! Where's he at? La la la! Take this guy off. Oh no, my pocket. Okay, got it. We're good.